Hi friends, it's Miss Erin from the Herrick District Library here with our very last baby story time of the summer. This is our last virtual baby story time, as well as starting this fall, we are hoping that we're going to be able to offer an in-person baby, toddler, and preschool story time. Keep your eye out on our website for our fall offerings. That being said, if you are still interested in receiving weekly videos, we are going to be able to provide that for you as well. It will be for 0 to 5-year-olds, and it will sort of follow our storytime schedule. Our storytime schedule, it will mirror that schedule that we have set up. So you can still sign up. We will email them directly to you. You can still subscribe to our YouTube page, and we will have weekly early literacy content for you. If you're just not quite ready to come back into the library yet, we totally understand. So for baby story time, this story time is designed for those of us who are infants or expecting infants in our lives through about 18 months. I always like to say, like, that prenatal thing is great because once that baby comes, you're gonna be really tired. So if I can teach you some stuff now, it might help you out in the long run. Some of this is going to be stuff that you're gonna do very interactively with young children in your life. Some of us who are a little bit older, we're going to be able to do it all by ourselves, which is pretty cool. And I'll do my best to make sure that I point out those moments where those of us who are a little bit older can do things alone. This is only going to last about 10 minutes or so, and oftentimes our babies may not be in the mood to do it with us. That's fine. Grown-ups, hang out with me. It's really, my goal is to teach you to use these things at home with them. So it's cool if they want to hang out with me too, but really my goal is for them to do it with you throughout your day. So it's usually this is all stuff you're already doing. I'm just trying to give you some new ideas or some new techniques that you can use. So let's get started. We're going to get started today with a traditional story time song that we sing as a hello song or a goodbye song in story time. We're going to do both today because we're going to say hello and goodbye. This one uses some sign language, which we like to incorporate. For those of us who are pre-verbal, it can be really, really useful for us to learn some basic ways to communicate. So for this one, it's called Hello Friends, and we are going to use our sign for hello, which isn't this. I know, it's this, hello, just like that, hello. And then our sign for friends, we're going to take one finger and then the other finger, and then they're going to give each other a hug. That's the sign for friends. And then it's going to be time. We're going to point as if we're wearing a watch. Some of us might not know what watches are, but that's the sign for time. Time to say, this is to say hello. This is one that we may use in story time, baby story time in particular. If we have a small enough group, I really love for us to say each other's names out loud. Babies learn their names really quickly, and it can help them socialize when we know each other's names. But we're going to do this one instead today. So here we go. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. That's so easy, right? I think we should do that one again. That's our sign for again. This is a really helpful sign because I'm sure you realize we like to do things again and again and again. And that repetition is so great for our brains. It's really how we learn at this age. So let's do it again. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Great job, friends. So today I'm really just going to do some of my favorite things. It's one of my favorite things about doing a last story time of a session is that Miss Erin likes to sort of repeat things that she's either done before or just some of my all-time favorites. So the first one we're going to do today after our hello song is Baby, Put Your Pants On. Yeah, you're going to put your pants on. Where do your pants go? They go on your legs, right? Where are your legs? Here are your legs, right here, right? Those are your legs. This is a great one for getting dressed, being on the diaper changing table. We can do it in the bathtub. You can really sing it anytime. Sometimes when we are fussy, it can be really helpful if we're singing songs that we know and we've repeated over and over again. And this is just one that I think is really, really fun and pretty easy. There are some motions. I'm going to pretend to do them, but you really don't have to. It's really about singing the song and pointing out what they're going to be doing. So here we go. Baby, put your pants on, pants on, pants on. Baby, put your pants on. 1, 2, 3. Baby, put your pants on, pants on, pants on. Baby, put your pants on. 1, 2, 3. Leg to the left, leg to the right. Wiggle and jiggle and pull 'em up tight. Leg to the left, leg to the right. Wiggle and jiggle and pull 'em up tight. Baby, put your pants on, pants on, pants on. Baby, put your pants on. 1, 2, 3. Baby, put your pants on, pants on, pants on. Baby, put your pants on. 1, 2, 3. Good job, friends! So again, you can move their legs to the left and the right and pull them up tight. You can sort of pull their legs up together. It's another one you can just do during playtime when we're on the floor. But I just love I love the tune of that one. It's just really, really fun. Also, you may notice that we count starting with our thumb and then our forefinger and then our middle finger. That actually strengthens the first 3 fingers of our hands, and you can do it both ways. It is great for us to learn how to count that way because those are the fingers we really need strong when we're getting ready to grip those crayons and those pencils as we get a little older. So good job, friends. For our next one, I'm going to do another one of my favorites. This is a great one for our itty bitties, our littles, but this is one where I bet some of us are old enough we can do it by ourselves, or we can do some of the motions by ourselves. It's a good one for motor skills. We're going to open and close our hands. And then we're going to creep up our body, up to our chins, and then down to our toes, and up to our nose. This one is open, shut them. This could be a really great one for infants if they're sitting or laying in front of you and you're above them like this, or you're like this. It can be great for eye tracking for them. And again, you're going to do the motions on them. Otherwise, if we're big kids, we can do it all by ourselves. Here we go. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. We're going to start at our toes. Where are your toes? Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your chin. That's your chin. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Do not let them in. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right down to your toes. Where are your toes? Where are your toes? Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your nose. Just like that. Great job, friends. So grown-ups, this is great. You're going to notice that your babies are going to be following their eyes with your hands like that, and they're going to follow you as you trail up. And for those of us who are big kids, I know there's some of you at home, you can open your hands like this, and then you can close them up tight. And you can find your own toes, and you know where your chin is. And where's your nose? There's your nose. Good job, friends. We're going to end today with a song. Miss Erin's going to go a little bit over, I can tell already. This is a puppet song. We typically end baby story time, or when I do baby story time, I typically end it with some puppet friends. Some of us have never seen puppets before, and it can be very intimidating. Some of us are like, no, thank you, I don't want to have anything to do with those puppets. Some of us are very excited about the puppets. So I wanted to introduce you to some of my favorite puppets that we like to use. One of the reasons that we use a lot of animal sounds is that it can help us with speech. We can help us develop speech. It gives us an understanding of speech. What is it that a dog sounds like? What is it that a cat sounds like? And our mouths can help us. They can hear and see what your mouth is doing, and then they're going to imitate that. That's really how they learn to speak. So let's get started with our friend the, oh, look at that curly tail. Do you see that curly tail? What kind of animal is this? It's a pig. What does a pig say when a pig talks? Oink, 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 oink. Or, right? We're going to say oink, 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 oink. let's sing When Pigs Get Up in the Morning. Here we go. When pigs get up in the morning, they always say good day. When pigs get up in the morning, they always say good day. Oink, 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 oink. That is what they say. They say oink, 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 oink. That is what they say. That's a fun one, isn't it? Yeah, that's a good one. Let's do this friend next. This is another friend that lives on a farm. And it's what kind of animal is this? It's a lamb, yeah, or a sheep. A lamb is what we call a baby sheep. Always make sure you point that out. That's new vocabulary for some of us. So let's do when lambs get up in the morning. What is it that lambs sound like when lambs talk? We're going to go ba. Can you make that sound? Ba. Just like that. Here we go. When lambs get up in the morning, they always say good day. When lambs get up in the morning, they always say good day. Ba, 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 ba. That is what they say. They say ba, 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 ba. That is what they say. Good job, friends. I have one more. You know this friend, too. I know you know this friend because we see him at the end of every story time. Oh, who's this? It's Mouse. Mouse, can you say hello to our friends at home? Hello, friends. Let's sing When Mice Get Up in the Morning. What is it that mice sound like when mice talk? What do you sound like? Squeak, squeak, squeak. Can you make that sound? Squeak, squeak, squeak. I think you can. Here we go. When mice get up in the morning, they always say good day. When mice get up in the morning, they always say good day. Squeak, 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 squeak. That is what they say. They say squeak, 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 squeak. That is what they say. Yay! Good job, friends. So let's say goodbye first to Mouse. And then we're going to say goodbye, friends. We're going to sing that song one more time. To say goodbye to Mouse, we're going to do what? We're going to play a little peekaboo. Can you cover your eyes? Just like Miss Erin is and Mouse is. Here we go. Peekaboo, peekaboo, I see you, I see you. I see your tiny toes, I see your button nose. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Yay! All right, Mouse, we're going to say goodbye to you. Say goodbye to Mouse. Bye-bye, Mouse. And now let's say goodbye, friends. Goodbye. We're going to wave. Goodbye. And do you remember our friends? One finger and one finger, and they give each other a hug. And it's time to say goodbye. Here we go. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for joining us this summer. And we hope we're going to see you this fall starting in September for our in-person baby story times, or again, we'll have some ways for you to sign up to continue to get virtual early literacy content each week. Thanks so much, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.